Hi friends, my name is Ashok and in this video we'll learn about how to create Angular custom pipes. I will create the one custom pipe files with the using the ng command lines ng g for generate, p for pipe and file name custom pipe. This command will generate the one files and update it into Angular app module. Let's check it out. What should they created two files, and here is a custom pipe.pipe.ts and updated in the app.module.ts. Let's check it out what have there. So we go to custom pipe.ts. Here is the file, and in app.module they import the custom pipe from the Angular pipe and added it into declarations. So guys, let we use go to the pipe file, and here have a pre-built some functions like import pipe transform from the Angular core, and here is the pipe name, and here they added the class some pipes, and here is the transform functions where we can get the old value and return it to new value. So let's here, and you can see this in transform have a two argument value and argument, and they return it what should we need to return, like you can return any string, balloon, array, object, whatever. So here we change it to any, and argument should be any, and returned value will be type is any. And go to the component. Here I already have a one component where we can test our custom pipes. So you can see this here, public name, and set it to Angular custom pipes and bound into template h2. Let's go to the browser. You can see this here is Angular custom pipes. Now we use custom pipe here, name and pipe element and custom pipes. Now go to the browser. What should have there? So here nothing will be output. Why? Because it's returned null value. That's why nothing. So we need to return value. So now go to browser. You can see this Angular custom pipe. Now here we will create our functions what according to our logic. Like I want replace Angular word with another word. So we create the new value equal value dot replace Angular with React. So let's go to the browser. You can need to return new value. Let's see this. So you can see this Angular word is replaced with the React. Now here we need to get more dynamic, like pass some argument like which word we to need to replace and with which word. So you use argument if argument 0, and here you can use new value equal value dot replace and pass it to argument 1. Go to the pipes. Here we pass one argument like custom. So you can see this custom word will be replaced with the React. So Angular React pipes. So now we pass another argument for which word we wish we need to like a new word. So pass it view. So here is the old word and it is the new word. Let's go to the custom pipes and pass second argument like array and 1. So go to the output. You can see this Angular v dot pipe. Let's here we change Angular So you can see this, they change it to Angular to Vue custom pipes. Let's change here React. So you can see this, the browser will change it to React custom pipe. So this is the simple custom pipe we can create. First get the old value and return it new value with our logics, according to our logics, like new value replace dot argument and second argument, and return it, transform it new value in the browsers. And here as well, custom pipes, first argument and second argument. So this is, I hope you will better understand how to create custom pipes. I hope you like this video, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.